Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold is moving and how the price of gold can move in the next week. If you look at this chart, it's an year-wise chart. See, this is where the market has stayed most of its time. The gold price was in the range of around 1550 to a level of 1040. Okay, this is high and low, I'm telling you. Okay, so now this you have to understand that in this range from 2013 to 2020 the price of gold is moving in this particular range. Okay, so after breaking this particular range, because I've told you that the support is tested twice, and after breaking this it had made a new high which is around 2075. Okay, and this is in August, around July. Okay, this has made a new high, and from there it is continuously declining. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Please watch the full video because I'm explaining you how the technicals work and how the price of gold can change. See, look at this chart. If you look at this chart, I have already told that the price of gold in this particular range, after breaking this particular resistance, it has moved up and made a new high in July 2020. Okay, and after making 80h its all-time high, it is declining. Okay, see, look at this trend. But now what is happening? A trend, this is a 4-5 years plan. Now I'm telling you 1 month chart. If you look at 6 months chart also, okay, look at 6 months chart, the overall trend is declining. Okay, I'll show you one more 3 months chart. See, what you can see is that look at this, the trend that it made a new low, and from there of a month's low, and then from there it is moving upside. Okay, so we can see that if we look at a 1 month chart, the trend is reversing. Okay, see, look at this. In this particular range, after breaking the range, it made a new low for the month. Okay, it's coming upside. So if you look at this chart, I'm just explaining all these in order to make you understand that you can also learn and you can also do some trading. See, look at this. This level is tested twice. Okay, you getting me? This is a strong support. If this comes again, and there is a high probability that if it crosses this level, it can sharp fall. Okay, so what you have to remember that this is the strong support, 1678. Okay, once this level is break, we can expect there can be a very sharp fall. It can be around 1620 or 1630. Okay, so this is what you have to understand in this. Okay, so now if we look at this 5 days chart, and I have already told in my previous videos where you have that if it crosses 1732, then there is a probability it can touch a level of 1746 to a level of 1754, and see, it has touched our targets. Okay, so but what you have to understand that it will not go directly like this. What you have to do is that if it going upside, you have to buy that position. But suppose you are in a profit of $20. Once this $20 and into your quantity XYZ, if this quantity comes to 16 or 15, then you should exit the trade for the day. Because what is very important in trading, that you should save risk management, you should save the profit, or you should exit if your day limit loss is done for the day. Because suppose if you have a capital of suppose $10,000. Okay, once this capital you are making a profit of 800, dollars for a day, then it's good na, good for a particular day. And once this $800 come to $600, then exit the trade for the day. Okay, because it is very important. Suppose you made a loss for around $300 for the day, then exit for the day, because you need to save this capital in order to earn more in your trading career. You have to save your capital. Then what you can do is, if you save this capital or do proper risk management, then only you can be a good trader. Okay, this is very important point, you have to keep this in mind. So now what we can understand at this level, okay, this is a strong support. 1742 now has become our strong support. Once this level is break downside, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1736. Once 1736 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1731. And once 1731 is touched, then we can expect that it can fall sharp to around 1725. Okay, and you can check my previous video where I have explained that what all the resistance support were the targets. Okay, now what I have to make you understand is that this is a strong support, 1731. Once this is break, then the next support we can see is at around 1722. But once this is achieved, then we can expect the next target will be our 1725. Once this level is done, then we can expect that it can touch a level of, after breaking 1722, then we can, the next support we can see is at around 1713. Okay, once 1713 is touched, then we can expect a level of 1707 and then 1698. You can check my previous video also. See, now if we look, the overall this trend is downside. Okay, but what is we are looking at, that this trend of gold was moving in a particular range. Once this range is break upside, or if it moves above 1747 and stays above this level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1753. And it has already made a new high of 1758, which I have already told in my previous video that once if it is above 1714, then we can expect a U-turn and in the buying side, but with a stop loss of 1707. And now we are making a good profit. Okay, once this is cross 1753, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1758. Once 1758 days high cross, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1764. Okay, so you getting me what I'm saying? Once 1754, because the gold price was not moving in this particular range for quite some time. See, look at this, from 8th of March. Okay, this 58 has tested twice now. Okay, this has become our strong resistance. Okay, this is R1 as of now. Once this level is break, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1766. Okay, once that level is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1775. Okay, once 1775 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 1789. Okay, so what you have to understand is that once this level is break upside, okay, but now it is at 1747 with a stop loss of 1743, you can take a buy call. But if it comes close to 1753, if it crosses this level, then we'll be getting a target of 1758. But 1758 is tested twice, though there is a probability that if it goes up, if it crosses 1759, then we'll be making our new target of 1761. Once 1761 is crossed, then we will be looking at around 1771. Okay, and then we'll be going for a target of 1778. Once 1778 is touched, then we'll be looking for 1790. Once 1790 is touched, then we'll be looking for 1800. And you can check my previous video where I have told the upside targets. Okay, this is what I'm telling you. What you have to understand, suppose you bought it at 1747 and now the price of gold is going around 1758, so you are already in a profit of $11. So once $11 and your XYZ quantity, and once this $11 comes to 9 or 8, then you should exit the trade. You getting me? This is very important. Risk management is very important when you trade. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.